Lovely 4-bedroom/2-bathroom pool home with 2-car attached side-load garage. This spacious, well-maintained home with over 2,000 square feet of living area features living room, family room, dining room, breakfast room, laundry room, split bedroom plan. Updates include roof new 2017, AC new 2013, sprinkler system new 2013, heated pool and cage new 2013, hot water heater new 2013, rear PVC 6 feet fence new 2013, and whole house replumbed with CPVC. Updated island kitchen includes cherrywood cabinets, granite countertops, and newer appliances. Updated baths and French doors from the living room and family room lead to the screen lanai with in-ground heated pool and covered sitting area. Rear yard is fenced for privacy. Located on a corner lot in the Pelican area, convenient to shopping, restaurants, pools, and more. A must-see pool home.